Attention, rescue team! Wind speeds are increasing rapidly. It's a severe gale warning.
We need to advise everyone to stay indoors until the storm passes. I should go out and patrol. If there's damage, we need to know before it gets worse.
It's very dangerous out there, Helly. The wind is too strong for flying.
Don't worry, I'll stay low and keep my stabilizers on max. I have to check the town. Be careful, Helly. Keep your radio on. Whoa! The gusts are stronger than I thought.
Oh dear, oh dear. I really should have stayed at the garage. This is terrible weather for a wash.
The construction site looks deserted. Wait, what's that flapping? Stabilizers at 100%. Let's take a closer look.
Fact. Large, flat objects act like sails in the wind. The force of the wind creates pressure that can snap safety straps.
Oh no! That panel is loose! It's gonna fall right onto the road! Emergency! Emergency! Construction panels are falling, and Cap is driving right underneath.
All units, divert traffic immediately. Cap, move out of the way!
You're the strongest! You have to hold that panel! I'll block the traffic!
Hold on, Helly! I'm on my way! The wind is strong, but I'm stronger! Go, Roy! I'll secure this area!
Cap! Stop! No! Don't come this way!
It's getting dark! I just want to get home to my warm garage! It's getting dark! I just want to get home to my warm garage!
Out here! Gotcha!
Roy? Roy? What? The sky is falling! Move! Quickly! The wind! It's pushing too hard! I'm going! I'm going! Thank you, Roy! Thank you, Roy!
The other panels are loose too! If they fall, they'll crush you!
I can't! Move! I have to hold this, or it flies away! Helly, you have to secure the stack!
Heavy-duty cable. I can use that to tie them down.
Just a little closer! Got it. Taking it to the stack! Hurry, Helly! The wind is picking up! Roy! Catch the hook! Hook is secured! I'm looping it around the main pillar! This will hold it! I've got the winch! Pulling it tight! The stack is secure! Let's lay it flat, Roy! The wind can't push it if it's on the ground! That was heavy! Thanks for the backup, Bruner! And great flying, Helly!
Is it safe now? You saved me, Roy!
Cap, when there is a high wind alert, it's important to stay indoors. Debris can fall anywhere. I know. I just wanted to be clean. I won't go out in a storm again.
And we need to do a better job securing our materials. These straps were old.
That's right, Bruner. In high winds, flat objects have a large surface area that catches the wind like a sail. We have to tie them down tight.
I couldn't have held that wall without you finding that cable, Helly. You were the eye in the sky. Just doing my job. A rescue team needs eyes everywhere.
Cheese! Safety first!
I'll get the car wash ready. We are all a bit muddy.
Don't crush me. Oh, it's just a leaf. Today's safety lesson is about storm safety. If you hear a high wind warning, the safest place to be is indoors, away from windows. Before a storm hits, make sure to bring in loose objects like toys, chairs, or trash cans. They can fly away and hurt someone. Never touch fallen wires or climb damaged trees after a storm. Tell an adult immediately.
Thanks for watching. Stay safe in any weather. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Perfect. Nothing is moving this pile. Good job, Bruner. Safety is solid, like concrete.
Your hydraulics are a bit stressed, Roy. You held a lot of weight.
I'm okay, Amber. I'm built for heavy lifting. And your stabilizers took a beating from that wind, Helly. Let me tighten them up. We have the best team in the world!
To the rescue!
What a mess! But Cleanie loves to clean. Morning, Cleanie. The mail must go through, storm or shine. A new day, a new patrol. Let's keep Brooms Town safe. Sky is clear. No wind today.
Look both ways, Annie.
Still safe. Good job, Bruner. Thanks for keeping the roads clear, rescue team. All clear. Great work, everyone.